tryna make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really loving these colours at the moment, so I wanted to create a look where the colour was the main focus. Popped on a couple lashes that my sister gave me for Christmas, and I think that definitely completes the look. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the sun if it's shining. Enjoy the rain if it's not shining. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Why am I so cringing at myself? This is my I'm cringing at myself song, and I can't even look directly at the camera because I keep looking in the viewfinder